split them, like,
Okay. Did you
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
yes, Karim? What is the adjacent
It
angles, ya
is.
Karim?
Miss, I
They are.
entered.
Yes,
They
Muhammad.
are. They are two angles that share one. That share the same vertex and one side.
Share the same vertex and one side, which means we have the same what? Same vertex. So we said that we have same vertex and common ray, and we don't have a common region between them. Did you remember yesterday when we shade each angle separately? So we don't have a common region between the two angles. So we can say that this one is adjacent angles. Today, inshallah, we will study together how we can find or solve the equation with this angle relationship. Going to study how we are going to solving angle equations. Okay, how we are going to study solving angle equations. Let me ask you a question. In front of you now, could you please describe what you can see now in front of you?
uh, Miss, can I say it?
Okay, Ibrahim.
It is adjacent and
Adjacent, they are adjacent, yes. And what else? We have two angles are
it's
Complementary
angle.
angle.
It's a
and
right angle.
complementary angles.
Complementary angle.
Yes, thank you. So we have now two angles. When we add them together, their sum should be equal. How many?
There is a common side and a common vertex.
Yes, they are adjacent, agree with you. And when we
Yes,
add them together, their sum, it will be equal how many? Grade 7? When we
90.
add
90, 90.
90 degrees, exactly. 90 degrees. Then we can describe those two angles. What is the relation between the two angles in front of us now? What is the relation between two angles?
They are
They are hmm,
complementary angles.
complementary angles. Yes, they are complementary angles. And their sum, it will be equal 90 degrees. Then if we want to solve, we want to know what is the measure for each angle. Then we are going to add them together, right? So you have 4x, this is the first one, and the second one is what is x. Then we will add them together, then you will find how many, their sum equal 90 degrees. Then we are going to make an equation. It will be 4x plus x equal 90. What is the coefficient before x? The coefficient before x is 1, is equal 1. Then 4 plus 1, it will be equal 5. Then 5x equal 90 divided by 5 for both. Then we have the value of x equal 80. If I want to back and find the answer for each angle now, how we will find the answer for each angle grade 7? How we will find the angle, the answer for each angle? First, we made an equation. We note that we have the angle equal 90, the total equal 90. Then we have two complementary angles. So we are going to make an equation to put 4x plus 1x equal 90. Then 5x equal 90. We will divide both by 5. Then the value of x equal 80. We will take 18 and we will back to the equation. Why? We will replace x and put instead of it how many grade 7?
1.
We will replace x. What is the value of x? We found the value of x. It was equal how many grade 7?
18.
18. So if I want to find the measure for each angle, so we have to do what?
Multiply.
We will replace the x first, it's equal 18, and we have 4x, which means 4 multiplied by 18, right?
Yes.
Then we will find the measure for the second angle. it will be 4 times 18 equal how many, grade 7?
90.
Equal 72. 72. Then we found the measure for each angle. Who can tell me again how we can solve this question? I want someone to explain to me. Give me your plan to answer this question, the previous question. Give me your plan. Who will explain to me? Ahmed Saber, you entered.
Miss Sahar.
Yes.
No, I entered it. I can't understand this.
Let me say again. Who is talking?
Yes, Ahmed.
Ahmed Saber or who?
No, Yasser Gouda.
Yasser Gouda. Okay, yes. Listen to me again. Yes. At the beginning, look at the figure. Here, this one, this is the question from the beginning. You will look at the two angles here in the figure. You can see two angles, right? Yes. They are adjacent. And also you can see the sign for the right angle. Did you see this sign for the right angle? Okay. The sign for the right angle means that we have their measure should be equal how many, Yasser? 90 degrees. Then when you add those two angles together, their sum should be equal 90 degrees. So we said 4x plus x equal, their sum should be equal 90. So we have to search about the unknown variable, which is x, how many we can replace it instead of x to make their sum together equal 90. So we change the relation of angles, the relation between angles, into equation. And this is how we can connect the lessons which we studied together. The coefficient before x here, Yasser, was how many? The coefficient before x.
Before x?
If I would say x, which means how many before x? 0?
18.
0 before x.
No.
1, 2, tell me.
0 before x?
No. If you have x, which number we should write before x, but it's hidden?
Before x?
It should be, If there anyone can tell me? What is the coefficient before x? Should be 1.
1.
Right? Should be 1, but we didn't write it. Okay, but we have to know that once we have x, that means what? Means what? 1. Okay, then we want to solve the equation. 4x plus x. 4x plus x means 4x plus
4
x means
plus 1.
5.
4x plus
Yani 4 plus 1, right? 4 plus 1, it will be equal 5x. Equal how many? Equal 90. We want now to find the value of each one x. It will be how many? The value of each x. 5x. Yes, please.
18.
How did you find it, Yawad?
We will 90 divided by 5.
Thank you. So we are going to divide both by 5. So we will divide both by 5. Then 5x divided by 5, it will be equal x. And 90 divided by 5, it will be equal 80. Then now we found the value for the variable. We will take it and we will back to the equation, to the angle, sorry. So x, instead of x, it will be equal, we will replace x and put, instead of
18.
x, 18. And we will go up. Instead of 4x, it will be 4 times 18.
4.
Because we replace or we found the value of x equal 18. Then 4 times 18 equal how many? 4 times 18 equal how many? Grade 7, wake up.
72.
Equal 72. If you want to check your answer, what you have to do? If you want to check your answer, what we have to do, grade 7?
17 plus 72.
It will be 72 plus 18, right? I want now to check my answer. I want to check. Then we are going to add 72 plus 18, and their answer should be equal how many? 72 plus 18 equal how many? Equal
It was
90.
90. Then you were correct to when you found the value of x equal 18, and then we substitute to find the measure for each angle. Understood, ya Yasser? Yasser?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Any other question? All the class understood this point? All the class understood this point? Okay, it's your turn now for a competition. You will send to me your answer in our group, and then we will say rank 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? If you are ready, raise your hand, please. If you are ready, raise your hand for the our competition today. Only 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, okay, 10. I'm waiting for the top 5. Let's say top 5. This is the question. Here is the question. I'm looking for the measure for each angle. Quickly, I'm waiting. The measure for each angle.
Yesterday I was on phone, today I'm on laptop.
Okay, so you can't send the answer. طب tell me your answer كده يا زينة, please. Did you find the value of x?
Yes. X if the angle, the entire, if the whole thing is 90 degrees and 24 plus x and 2 times times x, we have to minus 90 minus 24.
Yes.
And then the result is, yes, okay, so
yes,
90 minus 24, it's 66.
Okay.
So 66 plus 24, it equals 90.
No,
so,
we are looking.
No, I know.
We are looking for the value of x here.
Looking for x. I know.
Concentrate, honey. Concentrate.
Yes, I'm thinking.
Yes, honey.
I'm still solving. I didn't say if I finished, but I'm solving.
Okay, honey. Okay, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Is there anyone ready to say the answer?
Miss, I sent it in the group.
Okay. So I received in the group now. Okay, Word rank 1. Word rank 1. Congratulations.
Miss, sorry for the picture because it's.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. Where is the rest of the class? Where are you?
Miss, I can't understand it.
Okay, let me help you. Tell me and I will help you. In this question, ya Rahma, can solve the equation, how we can use angle relationship to find the value for the variable. So as you see in front of you, we have two vertical angles. So two vertical angles, then their sum should be equal. So we solve the equation 2g equal 155. We will divide both sides by 2. Then we found the value of g is 77.5. The second pair, 25 equal h minus 7. So we will transfer 7 to the opposite side, and then we solve the equation. So today we studied together how we can use angle relationship to solve the equation. Okay, so it could be vertical angle, it could be supplementary, it could be complementary angles. We can check question in our book page 257. Also, we will find different exercises about the same relationship. So please, you will watch the video again, and you will answer your homework, and don't hesitate to send to me any question anytime, grade 7.